Useful techniques for affiliate marketing to boost your bottom line. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make some extra money without having to deal with inventory or customers directly. Many people, however, are unaware of the best way to approach affiliate marketing. In this video you will find some great tips that will help you master affiliate marketing. Make sure you pick products that you are familiar and comfortable with. You want to pick something that you know you can advertise well to maximize the amount of potential profit available to you. You don't want to get stuck trying to promote products you have little or no information about. Pay attention to the cookie duration of the parent site of your affiliate marketing program. A site visitor's cookies tell the parent company that you sent them that traffic and allows you to receive that commission. If the cookies expire after a very short period of time, the parent company is likely trying to cheat you out of valuable commission dollars. Do not hesitate to run a demo account. By using a demo account along with your real account, you can test the waters on alternate trades and possible stops. This can allow you to see if you are being conservative in your positioning or whether you can work with different currency pairings to evaluate their potential. Look for websites with good sales. If their rate of buyers is less than 1%, you may want to reconsider working with them. You get paid if people buy, and if people aren't buying from the website, it will not matter how many customers you send them. This ratio is an important one to consider when searching for affiliates. The affiliate marketing field can be very competitive, as lots of different affiliates are trying to sell the same products or services. However, by using some of the advice contained in the tips above, you should be able to increase the effectiveness of your affiliate marketing campaigns and increase your income. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.